Hi friends, welcome to all. Today I am going to explaining about how to open free trading and demat account on Groww application. The major advantages of Groww applications are, the first one is it provide discount broking facility, and also the user interface is very simple and anybody can easily hand over the Groww application. The documents required for account openings are email ID, mobile number, PAN card number, account number, and also IFSC code and branch name. And the last one is Aadhaar number, mobile number linked with the Aadhaar. These are the documents are required for opening the account. First, click on the video description and you will get the original account opening link on the video description. Just click on the link and you will get the application named as Groww Stocks and Mutual Fund. Just check the logo also. Then install the application, and after installing just click to open for opening the application. Now the application is successfully opened and you can go with continue with the Google and also continue with the other email. Just select the second option, continue with the other email option. Then enter your email ID here. Then quickly you will get a OTP on your email ID. Just enter the OTP here. Just copy the OTP here and verify email ID. Now the email ID is successfully verified. Then just set a password here. Please note the password into any paper or anywhere, because the password is very important for login the application. The minimum character is 8 and the maximum is 32. Just use alphabet, digits and special character also. Just make a password in the combination of these. Just after entering a good password, just click on the next button. Then enter your mobile number here. Then send OTP. Then quickly you will get a OTP on your mobile number, and just enter the OTP here and verify the mobile number also. Then enter your PAN card number here and click on the create account button. Then just click on the confirm I am, then your name. Then enter your personal details, gender, marital status, income and occupation, and trading and investment preference. If you are a beginner, you can select no experience. Otherwise you can select your favorable option. Then proceed. Then enter your mother name here. Then enter your father name here. Then click on next. Then the next section we will add the bank details. Just select your bank. I am selecting State Bank of India because my account is on State Bank of India. After selecting your bank, just you will enter your place of the branch and also enter your branch IFSC code here. Then enter your account number here. Just check back your account number properly. Then verify bank. Then click on verify bank. Then after 10 to 20 seconds, your account number has verified, and continue this process. Just proceed for KYC. Click on proceed for KYC. Then click on the authenticate Aadhaar. Then enter your Aadhaar number here and click on next. Then your mobile number, those mobile number linked with the Aadhaar, that mobile number will receive an OTP, and just enter the OTP here and click on continue. Then click on allow. Then take a photo. just take your photo by the help of your mobile front camera. Just click on camera and capture your photo and upload it. Then click on proceed to signature. Just you will get a blank form and just draw your signature on this area and click on submit. If you like to add nominee, you can click on yes proceed. Otherwise you can select no skip this option. If you select yes proceed, just enter the nominee details. Otherwise you can select no skip this option and continue proceed to Aadhaar e-sign option. Then select the terms and condition and click on proceed to e-sign. Now you will get your account opening form. Then just click on sign now. Now we are going to e-sign on your account opening form. Just enter your Aadhaar number here and send OTP. Click on send OTP. You will get an OTP on your mobile number registered with the Aadhaar number. Just paste the OTP here and verify OTP. Now sign in successfully. You will get a tick mark. Now congratulations, you can start investing now. Now the account opening is successfully completed. This procedure is very simple. Anybody can complete this procedure very simply. Then click on explore. Now the home page of Groww application is successfully opened and there are minimum 24 hours are required for activate your account, verification and activation of our account. Just wait for 24 hours. Then add amount to use this account and you can buy any stock by the help of this Groww application. And also you can buy mutual fund and you can also trade through this application. I think this video is helpful for you, and now you can simply open the Groww application by the help of this video.